everyone, welcome back to my channel. Lately, I have been getting a lot of requests to upload pattern making tutorials. So here I am delivering the same. First, let's start with the easiest project, that is camisole. Camisoles are honestly one of the easiest projects out there. It's beginner friendly, easy to whip up and a wardrobe essential. You can dress it down or dress it up. First things first, all the patterns that I create are mostly based on the basic block pattern, a tutorial for which I have already uploaded on my channel. I'll leave a link for the tutorial in the description box below because I believe in making your life easier. If you're serious about making your own clothes, make sure you first make the basic block pattern. Think of it as the foundation of the house, or learning alphabets before forming words. Anyway, let's get started and make cute camisole that will make you questioning why you spent money on store-bought camisole.
Trace the basic bodice pattern onto a paper. Make sure to leave extra room on the sides and at the bottom because camisole has a wiggle room. And don't forget to repeat the same process for the back because symmetry is key even in sewing. This might not be the textbook way to draft a pattern, but it works for me and I totally recommend it. Mark where you want your straps, connect it to the armhole and draw the neckline as low as your comfort zone or daring spirit. Since we are going full freestyle here, use a pencil to mark it out because let's face it, we will be coming back to do it properly anyway. Let's turn those delightfully crooked freehand lines into smooth, elegant curves. Mark the length of the camisole, then give the side seams a little extra room by adding 1 inch and jazz up the bottom with 4 to 5 inches for the flare. If you don't want flare, you can always keep it less. Now connect these 2 points and extend the side dart to this new line. Now the front pattern is ready. Let's make the back pattern. Around the armhole, mark a straight line and then place the front pattern and mark the sides. Since the front pattern has side dart, you need to reduce the back pattern length by 1 inch and then cut it out. From the margin point, measure 3.5 inches and mark a point. This is where the strap will be attached at the back. Now we have the front and the back pattern ready to make as many camisoles as we want. First cut out lining fabric and then place that on the main fabric and cut that. If you're planning not to add lining, then you have to cut just the main fabric. First up, stitch the darts on both the main fabric and lining. Then stack the back piece on top of the front like the ultimate fabric sandwich and stitch the sides together like they are stuck for life.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Make sure right sides are facing each other because even fabric has a preference for who it snuggles up with. Then slide the lining into the main fabric as shown. pin up the lining and the main fabric together as shown in the video. Think of it as following a treasure map, but instead of gold, you are hunting for a perfectly aligned seams.
Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Next, stitch it up to this point, but hold up. Leave a little space for a strap to slide in like a VIP at a party. Do it again and don't forget to save strap space at the back too.
You fill my head with roses. I can't help but dream away. Standing on a field with you and flowers everywhere. Maybe there is a star with your name. One thing I know is that there should be. There is no one who has a heart as pure, no, not like yours. Dreaming of you.
Time to make straps. Since I'm down to my last bit of fabric and it's fraying like it's had a long day, I'm just gonna fold it up as shown and stitch it. Grab the strap, pin it and slide it into the VIP space we left earlier. Pull it from the inside and secure it with a pin and stitch it in place. Now repeat the same thing at the back and don't forget to give the other side the same star treatment.
Dreaming of you. 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 What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars.
Flip it inside out like your toxic ex is finally showing their true colors. Then give that neckline solid ironing to smooth it out. If you're in the mood for some extra flair, throw in a stitch around the neckline. The last step is to double fold the edges of the main fabric and stitch it. Don't forget to do the same on the lining as well.
Over heels in love, thought it lasts forever, but somehow we got lost. Looking back, I didn't realize what was wrong with me. I can't deny I took you for granted. You finally had enough.
Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you guys in my next video with a new pattern. Until then, stay fashionable, stay fabulous. Bye.